Have you ever looked at your carpet and realized it's not dirty everywhere, just quietly holding on to the life that happens every day? That's often when the right cleaner matters. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on thoughtful purchases that actually improve daily living. Today, we're reviewing the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, Model 3588F. This is an upright, deep carpet cleaner designed specifically for homes with pets, heavy foot traffic, and recurring stains. If pet hair, odors, or ground-in messes are part of your routine, this product is immediately relevant. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. This machine is built to deliver professional-style cleaning without renting equipment or hiring services. It targets carpets, rugs, stairs, upholstery, and pet areas using powerful suction, heated cleaning, and specialized tools. What makes it matter in its category is how it balances deep cleaning strength with usability, speed, and long-term hygiene. Reason number 1. Deep cleaning power you can see. Dual dirt lifter power brushes rotate in opposite directions, providing twice the scrubbing action to lift embedded dirt, hair, and stains that vacuums leave behind. The results feel genuinely restorative for worn carpets. Reason number 2. Purpose-built for pet messes. The CleanShot Pre-Treater with OXY targets stubborn stains like urine and tract-in accidents. Combined with odor-eliminating formulas, it addresses both the visible mess and the lingering smell. Reason number 3. Faster drying for real life. Express Clean Mode leaves carpets dry in about 30 minutes, which matters in busy households. It reduces downtime and keeps pets and people moving without disruption. Reason number 4. Strong suction with controlled noise. Turbo Strength motor technology delivers powerful extraction while remaining quieter than many traditional deep cleaners, making the process less overwhelming. Reason number 5. Versatile above-floor cleaning. The 8-foot hose, 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool, and tough stain tools allow effective cleaning on stairs, furniture, pet beds, and vehicles without switching machines. Reason number 6. Easier maintenance and freshness. The removable one-piece brush roll cover simplifies cleaning, while antimicrobial components and Fresh Start protection help prevent internal odors over time. Reason number 7. Long-term confidence and support. Bissell includes professional-grade formulas and backs a platform trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, reinforcing trust in durability and results. Final verdict. This machine is larger than basic carpet cleaners and requires dedicated storage space, but that comes with significantly stronger performance. It's best for pet owners, families, and anyone maintaining carpets long-term rather than replacing them. If you want visible results, faster drying, and tools that handle real messes, this cleaner stands out as a practical investment. Take time to consider your cleaning needs and choose with confidence.